Hello everybody, this is Adithyan. In this video, we are going to cover the topic operators and expressions. First, let us see what are operators. Operators are symbols that help us to perform specific mathematical and logical computations on operands. In other words, we can say that an operator operates the operands. For example, consider the below statement C is equal to A plus B. Here, the symbol plus is the operator known as additional operator, and A and B are operands. The addition operator tells the compiler to add both of the operands A and B. There are many types of operators. First, let us see about arithmetic operators. These are the operators used to perform arithmetic or mathematical operations on operands. Example, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and so on. Arithmetic operators are of two types, unary operator and binary operator. Operators that operates or works with a single operand are unary operators. For example, increment and decrement. Binary operators. Operators that operates or works with two operands are binary operators. For example, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Next, we have relation operators. These are used for comparison of the values of two operands. For example, checking if one operand is equal to other operand or not. An operand is greater than the other operand or not, etc. Some of the relational operators are equal to, greater than or equal to, and lesser than or equal to. Next, we have logical operators. Logical operators are used to combine two or more conditions or constraints or to complement the evaluation of the original condition in consideration. The result of the operation of a regular operator is a Boolean value, either true or false. For example, the logical A and D and represented as ampersand and ampersand operator in C returns true when both the condition under consideration are satisfied. Otherwise, it returns false. Therefore, A ampersand ampersand B returns true when both A and B are true, that is non-zero. Next, we have bitwise operators. The bitwise operators is used to perform bit level operations on the operands. The operators are first converted to bit level and then calculation is performed on the operands. The mathematical operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, etc. can be performed at bit level for faster processing. For example, the bitwise AND represented as ampersand operator in C takes two numbers as operands and does AND on every bit of two numbers. The result of AND is 1 only if both bits are 1. Next, we have assignment operators. Assignment operators are used to assign values to a variable. The left side operand of the assignment operator is a variable and the right side operand of the assignment operator is the value. The value on the right side must be of the same data type of variable on the left side, otherwise the compiler will raise an error. Different types of assignment operators are shown below. Equal to, this is the simplest assignment operator. This operator used to assign the values on the right variable on the left. For example, A is equal to 10, B is equal to 10, character is equal to Y. Size of operator. It is a compile time unary operator which can be used to compute the size of its operand. The result of size is of unsigned integral type, which is usually denoted by size underscore t. Basically, size of operator is used to compute the size of the variable. Comma operator. The comma operator is a binary operator that evaluates its first operand and discards the result. It then evaluates the second operand and returns this value. The comma operator has the lowest precedence of any C operator. Comma acts as both operator and separator. Conditional operators works just like an if-else statement but in a simpler way. That's all for operators. Since we have finished the operators and the types of operators, let us move on to expression. What is an expression? An expression is a combination of operators, constants, and variables. An expression may consist of one or more operands and zero or more operators to produce a value. If you can see this image, there is a variable called result and operand A, operand B and operand C, and the symbols in between them, A and B and C, are the operator. This whole equation can be said to be an expression. There are many types of expression: constant expression, integral expression, floating expression, logical expression, pointer expression, bitwise expression, and relational expression. Constant expression, these consist of only constant values. A constant value is one that doesn't change. Example 5, 10 plus 5, 6.0, or an x. Integral expression, integral expressions are those which produce integer results after implementing all the automatic and explicit type conversions. Examples: x, x into y, x plus int of 5.0, where x and y are integer variables. Float expressions, float expressions are which produce floating point results after implementing all the automatic and explicit type conversions. Examples: x plus y 10.75, where x and y are floating point variables. Relational expression, relational expression yields result of type boolean, which takes a value true or false. When arithmetic expressions are used on either side of a relational operator, they will be evaluated first and then the results compared. Relational expressions are also known as boolean expressions. Examples: x is less than or equal to y, x plus y greater than 2. Logical expressions, logical expressions combine two or more relational expressions and produce boolean type of results. Examples: x is greater than y and x is equal to 10, or x is equal to 10 or y is equal to 5. Pointer expression, pointer expressions produce address values. Examples: ampersand of x, pointer, pointer plus plus, where x is a variable and ptr is a pointer. Bitwise expression, bitwise expressions are used to manipulate data at bit level. They are basically used for testing or shifting bits. For example, x less than 3 shifts 3 bit position to left, y greater than 1 shifts 1 bit position to right. Shifts operators are often used for multiplication and division by powers of 2. And that's all for operators and expressions. Thank you.